Wednesday, June 19th, 2024. Saint Romuald. Focus. Beware of practicing your righteousness before other people in order to be seen by them, for then you will have no reward. Today's Gospel is part of Jesus' Sermon on the Mount. The three issues Jesus raises here are what we call the three pillars of Lent: prayer, fasting, and almsgiving. We hear Jesus warning his disciples against the Pharisaic practice of deliberately parading their religiosity, thus calling them to higher standards of thought and attitude. Do we Christians live by the standards of Jesus, or have we sunk to the level of the Pharisees? Here are three eye-opening examples. 1. A group of parishioners takes a selfie while distributing Christmas goodies to the poor and gets it into the newspaper. 2. Painted in block letters at the entrance to a home for the aged is a long list of names of donors and the amount donated. 3rd, at every Mass on the feast day of a church or chapel, the priest announces the names of the contributors to the celebration with their consent and approval. Have we not ignored the teaching of Jesus and preferred the example set by the Pharisees? All of us have a human need to be noticed, acknowledged, praised, and thanked. But when we succumb to it, we turn our backs on Jesus. Fruit. Do I pray, fast, or give alms purely out of love for God and neighbor? Or do I subconsciously wish to attract attention to myself